but I ain't buying with this weight.
This is look like a too strong enough causing the weight more high.
Let's see this the melons on the trolley like that. My melons.
I'm sorry.
What did you do to my melons?
I have nothing to collide it.
What was the problem with those melons?
I gotta go.
I paid for those